Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, just get a chance to sit down to watch the Vybz Kartel ER interview. So why not just react to it while I'm watching? I thought, why not? So this is why we're here. So big up TVJ for the one. Anthony Miller, big up yourself. So Vybz Kartel return Vybz Kartel return the ER interview part 1. Alright, so let's jump in this one and hear with the teacher of the one. Let's go.
Not gravely
Big
ill,
up, Debbie.
but will he be in shape for December return concert? Hi, I'm Debbie. Vybz Kartel declares his innocence and claims musical paternity for a new generation of DJs. Saying sorry not sorry, the ever-controversial dancehall star answers his critics and dismisses the voice notes.
Vybz Kartel.
The Vybz Kartel.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Jaheim Palmer. Solitary lockdown.
Vybz Kartel. Kartel at the top of his game, then all of a sudden, jail. 13 years and an acquittal later.
The only thing I could have said is a surreal feeling, you know?
Him also say him never spend the full 13 years. Him say he spent 12 years and 10 months. So it's not technically 13 years. So him say him not give them the couple months free. Him not give them the couple months. So yeah, we see that pan context matters with Isaac Buchanan. Big up Isaac.
The only thing I could have said is a surreal feeling, you know? More time I have to pinch her to find out if just for say January. I wonder if I dream me a dream.
Hold on, wait, what?
The only thing I could have said is a surreal feeling, you know? More time I have to pinch her to find out if just for say January.
The man say more time him have to sorry. The man say more time him have to pinch her to find out say if find out if it's real. So why you have to pinch your fiance, brother? Why you can't pinch yourself, dog? You got it full of style, the dog.
Real feeling, you know? More time I have to pinch her to find out if just for say January. I wonder if I dream me a dream.
The Ramping Shop DJ's dream coming through on July 31st. A crowd cheering Kartel as he walked out of the general penitentiary, but many remarking on his appearance. Are you unwell? What do the doctors say?
Well, them say me have a thing named Graves' disease, but we're not ready for the grave. So we just call it hyperthyroid.
So him say him have a thing called grave disease, but him not ready for the grave. So him have a thing called hyperthyroidism. Okay. Primary hyperthyroidism. Oh, big red thyroid pathology. What? Big red thyroid hormones. Okay, so it's to do with his throat, his neck as well. That's why his neck is so swollen, and obviously affect him face. All right. Thyroid. Yo, me can't spell. Me can't read. Blood clot. Big word. Move.
I think named Graves' disease, but we're not ready for the grave. So we just call it hyperthyroidism, you know? In the first stages, we used to sweat a lot. We used to have some little hand tremor.
After effects,
and it will swell up my eye, give me allergies.
Prison pics revealing a Kartel with facial swelling and a protruding midsection. A far cry from the Kartel of old.
Matter of fact, it's not only treatable, it's curable. So that's why we're going to fly out now. We'll meet up with some high-tech team. We possibly will go St. Vincent, Cuba, Switzerland, you know. We have some places where we'll seek out the best treatment possible.
So when you have money, St. Vincent, Switzerland and other places, you see when you have money, and the good thing is it's not only treatable, it's curable. So you can get rid of it completely with the right help, with the right advice, and with the right levity. So do your thing, G.
Switzerland, you know, we have some places where we'll seek out the best treatment possible.
How sensitive are you about the physical changes?
No, I don't feel sensitive about it. One thing with me, Mr. Miller, if determination were a person, see me?
But you're all covered up now, so you must be a little sensitive.
No, I'm not sensitive. I'm the style. I remember, you know, if you go up on my TikTok, you're going to see me without cover. As a matter of fact, I'm going to become the advocate for Graves' disease.
That would be good.
It's just been a week. He still can't absorb his enormous change of fortune.
Walking out to see so many fans waiting for Vybz Kartel, cheering Vybz Kartel. It was an amazing feeling. The 1 week coming like a 1 minute, because I still not process everything. Even this morning, me and my fiancé are driving. I have to take out my phone and make a video and say, how this freedom feel like? Yeah, man, because I tell you, I still can't process it. When I wake up in the morning, I say, yo, I wait for the key sheet. It's like the institutionalized mentality still not come out. But trust me.
It's going to hard for get back into society. Well, not go hard. It's going to take a time. It's going to take a little time for him get back into society normal. But gradually, he's going to do it. Gradually, he's going to do it. He have a lot to learn again. I've had family members who spend couple decades in prison. I've had friends who spend lots of time in prison, and we have them conversation. It's going to take a good little time for them get back to normal and live a normal life again. It's going to take a little time, G, but you can do it, man.
It's like the institutionalized mentality still not come out. But trust me, freedom feel good.
Yeah.
What do you want to say to your legions of supporters, as well as those still not convinced of your innocence?
Well, first of all, I say to my supporters them, enough love, Gaza Nation. Thanks for the support, for them by my side. Cheer for me. Make me feel the love there and the appreciation there. Give me hope, you know. So Gaza Nation forever. To the people them will say, me guilty. Right now, me too busy I make money and I say me like worry about for them opinion, you know. Me too busy with my fiancé, me too busy with my kids, with my 2 grandchildren them, even I think about haters.
Yo, Vybz Kartel answered them not changed from 13 years till now, you know. Vybz Kartel is so witty with it. Him just give you the answer where you not expect. Like certain things him not gonna address. Like it's crazy. Like Vybz Kartel not change, bro.
With my kids, with my 2 grandchildren them, even I think about haters. That are the answer for them.
Yeah.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Vybz Kartel is a kind of dancehall folk hero.
Yeah.
Many were on your
Big
side
up.
from the start of that trial. Others heard those voice notes and were chilled to the bone. They say he's lucky to be a free man today. What do you say?
The law is the law, and the Constitution is the Constitution. And if we now work with what going in the court, better we go back to the medieval days then, where we have an eye for your eye and we do it out in the street. Apart from that, anything what the court say, that we not have to work with. So he's an innocent man. That's it.
Tell you that shit. He's an innocent man, and that is it. And the court said that and that.
His Gaza Nation standing by Kartel from the get-go. Free world boss, their mantra. Many, however, just as vocal that he got what he deserved. Because some people would have said hubris overcame Vybz Kartel. He just didn't want to be the most famous and popular DJ in Jamaica. He wanted to be a crime boss.
No, I don't want to be a crime boss. You know what I mean? Remember, a Portmore will come from Waterford, so we're being grow rough, you know. But so it don't have nothing to do with crime boss. It's just that things got haywire, and, you know, with the help of God and with the help of my lawyer, Isaac Buchanan and him team, you know, we set things straight and things. But now we not run down for being a crime boss.
Is it just me, or in Vice gradually a forward back? Is it me? Is it just me? Comment section, let me know. Do you guys think his voice is changing back to the normal Kartel voice? And I'm lose a bit of weight, especially in stomach area. That's good, bro.
You know, we set things straight and things. But now we not run down for being a crime boss. Remember, we're smart and know we're crime boss. End up, you know. That was never our goal.
Kartel famous as the lyrical DJ, but also famously fast on his feet and quick-witted. He's a smart guy. He's a very calculated person. He knows what he is doing. How did you go from being the most popular DJ in Jamaica to a DJ who was sentenced to life in prison?
I don't mean the system. Because the system did I run right from initially. How did they have prison? Because think about this. Them send me to prison for circumstantial evidence at best, which was tampered with. Circumstantial evidence, that alone can't send nobody to prison. Plus the evidence tampered with. If I did a regular youth in Ghana and he had long time, I true a Vybz Kartel. You know, see how that Privy Council show them. There's nothing in the case. What is so special about the case? People have said justice for Lizard. Them don't know Lizard. And a justice for Lizard. A crucifixion for Kartel that them did a chant.
How do you explain the voice notes?
Me not have to explain it because I'm free. Oh, you know what?
Me not have to explain it because I'm free. Yo.
Explain the voice notes.
Me not have to explain it because I'm free.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I mean? You see, free? Think about this.
Oh, you don't see me. Yeah.
Oh, you know what I mean?
Fuck around.
You see, Pre? Think about this.
Yeah.
You see, one heap of unknown youth, regular ghetto youth, come before the system for murder, double murder, triple murder, rape, kill, picnic, everything, and them get bail. Why Vybz Kartel couldn't get bail? Where Vybz Kartel did like a run go?
Don't run! Did you give up hope at any point?
No time, you know, so me make sure send for my woman from foreign. A 2 year now she there.
England.
So think about that. Yes, baby. Give it the big
Yes, baby. See them. See them.
there.
Big up.
So think about that. Yes, baby. Even the big SUV where you see park out there, so I buy that about 3 months ago. From me in a prison, I stay and buy. That's how sure me knows that me have to come a road.
But it's 13 years in prison. At some point, don't you lose hope?
No, never. I tell you that. I can swear for my mother's life. No, what kind of lose hope? Remember in Anthony, we are not done, you know. So where you to read, I will understand. And from me read my transcript, all right, may I tell you something? I have a tattoo on my face. The people them must see it and I wonder what. Is a clause in the transcript, 238. For me see that, I know so me that for bust my case. And the Privy Council, the Privy Council pick up pan and say, no man, this can't work. Tamper jury, and you make that continue? Nah man, that could work. Plus other things, them breach my rights, breach my freedom of privacy, all heap of things them do. So I know say technically, me did have to work. It was just a matter of when. The haters and the bad mind people is just as much motivation to me as the fans. Because me, now I'm going to make nobody laugh off a Kartel, so Kartel live in a prison, or dead in a prison. So the bad mind people then was just as much a motivation to Vybz Kartel as the fans were. We never have one day where we despair.
How did you fill time otherwise though? Because what do you do in prison?
You wake up in the morning, them fly you about 10 o'clock, you come out on the block, you will have bed. Yeah, you better them there reason and I will have vibes till 12 o'clock you lock down. Then 2 o'clock, you come out back for your next hour and a half. And then when you lock down 3 o'clock, you not sit back outside till the morning again.
Yeah.
So you don't know. We have to just find things to do. Read, write, watch TV, listen music, talk to my loved one them. That was it. That's how I spend my time.
But what was your worst moment in prison?
So I have a lot of worst moments in prison. I can tell you straight. Like when I just go to prison, there's that feeling there.
If you adapt.
Was a wicked feeling,
yeah,
you know?
If you adapt to the situation.
Then when I lose my appeal, that
no.
was also a wicked feeling. My grandmother dead when I there in prison. Cairo Jones' grandmother dead when we there in prison. Angie St. John mother dead when we there in prison.
Yeah.
So it was just all my dog dead.
Time.
Ben 10, R.I.P. to my pit bull. And every time my woman come visit me and she go away, the feeling there, yeah man, hot.
Kartel's lady mopping his brow during the interview. Saddam Ozturk attentive and very shy. A fan from afar.
Turkish.
She come from England, London to be exact.
Yeah.
Born in a Turkey.
Thought so.
So you know she have my Thanksgiving. And me and her
yeah, from from here, our last name, me know say Turkish, cause I went to college with a youth to have the same last name, and he was Turkish, so me know that the last name there is Turkish last name. So yeah, are within that region. But said she come from Turkey. But said she born in Turkey, so you know, so she am Thanksgiving.
Born in a Turkey, so you know she am Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And me and her were tried from a longer time, and my sister she real to the thing. I finally convinced her to come and thing, and you know, she pack her bags and she lift up. Even though her family, now them supportive and them call them sister me a real youth. But them time there, understandably, any family would have be like,
Yeah,
you go to Jamaica.
Yeah, dangerous place like
to
that.
a man who in a prison.
That even worse, yeah.
Nah, man. So that's why I love her. So, cause she, boy, I tell her she have faith. For her faith move more than mountain. Me you know. For her faith move on solar system.
Marriage in the stars?
Definitely, me have to put on the ring for her. She deserve it. You know what I mean? Cause me give her my trust and she preserve it.
Boss, all is a rhyme, brother. I swear. All is a rhyme. Hold on, my song gone. Man, all is a rhyme, brother. Like Bounty Killer dog. Everything them say them rhyme.
Solar system.
Marriage in the stars?
Definitely, me have to put on the ring for her. She deserve it. You know what I mean? Cause me give her my trust and she preserve it.
But Kartel not preserving his cool during a live Thursday with ISAT.
No, I never like this. I never like this at all. I never like this.
Sending some choice words in the direction of his Turkish delight and not realizing everyone heard.
Delete the part. Right now, me a one burner. One see them and never two. My kids and my grandkids are my biggest priority and my fiance.
So hold on, this drop Friday. So I'm today is Saturday when I'm reacting to it. This drop Friday. The preview for this was like on Wednesday, Wednesday, I think. So ISAT show was on Thursday. So you tell me say the editor them for TVJ go find a clip and put it in the actual interview. Yo, them people are ramping a dog.
So she pretty like Beyonce.
Incredible too.
Alright, so I think that's part one finish. I think there is a part two, so I'm gonna go search for it and react to it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And the part where him get angry at her and threaten her and thing like, teacher, me I beg you, lower them thing there, brother, please, cause I'm telling this. I'm telling this dog. And you're supposed to know this. You're never too big or too old for understand and learn from them thing, brother. You see fear set a family, brother. Them now go take no bullshit, bro. So you have to know them thing, them fam, and be careful. Be careful or you trod with see them. You see me? Yes, be careful or you trod with see them. Them Turkish people in a ramp. You see me? So be careful or you trod with see them, bro. You don't want to end up with where you're forward from for abuse or damage or any form of harm to her. So that is just my humble advice to you as a G. Careful what you do. You see me? Yeah, dog. Just go easy with her. Go easy with her, my friend. So make we finish up the whole of the interview and then we get my 2 cents as in that. So let's jump onto part second.